I want to talk to you a little bit about NXP's tri-mentioned ultra-wideband technologies. Now, we've heard a lot in the industry about how ultra-wideband can be used for all different types of use cases. A lot of them around location detection and low power and our ability to do and open up some amazing new use cases. There's a particular use of NXP's UWB solutions, and that's around detecting people that are most important to us, our children. So when you think of a car and how you might use UWB to detect that, UWB solutions from NXP have the ability to detect the movement of the chest of the baby itself. We can actually detect a human breathing. So how would those technologies work in a car? Well, when you think about a car, there unfortunately have been a number of instances where babies have been left in a hot car by primary caregivers. They've forgotten that their babies are in there. It's an unfortunate aspect of what happens in the automotive industry, but it does occur. So how do we keep them safe? There's one way that we can deal with that is having a UWB scanner, which we have in our car today, and have it pointed at the baby. And the rising and falling of the baby's chest can be detected, and you can see it on this graph right here. These peaks show the rising and falling of the chest, and we can count how many breaths per minute that child is doing. So it does two things for us. Number one, it tells us that there's a baby there, that there's a living creature there. It could also be a family pet or anybody else. The second is the fact that they're actually breathing. So there's a medical aspect to this. So if your child is in the back seat, you can actually use this as a monitor to make sure that there's no medical problem with your child. So NXP is bringing UWB to the industry, and we're using it in a way to keep you and your family safer.